everyone, and welcome back to TJ's Tech Corner. This is the third episode of Keyboard Shortcuts. Please keep in mind that I'm still navigating through my Chromebook to show you more keyboard shortcuts. Alright, let's jump right in. First, if you want to open a new tab without clicking on the plus icon up here, hit Ctrl and T. If you want to open a new window, hit Ctrl and N. If you want to open a new incognito window or a private window, hit Ctrl, Shift, and N. This next one will only work on Chromebooks. If you want to open Google Assistant quickly and quietly, hit the search key and A. Unfortunately, I can't show you because I'm using my microphone to record this video. Lastly, if you're reading an article and want to find certain word or words, hit Ctrl and F. Then type in the word or word you want to find and click on those arrows to navigate like this. There are 6 results, so I can press the down arrow or the up arrow to navigate through them. That's it for today. Please comment if you have any questions. Also hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you next week on more keyboard shortcuts.